How to buy Bitcoin with Bybit. First of all, let's navigate and open the Bybit app on your phone. Once the app is open, create an account and complete the verification process. Now, tap on the Assets page from the bottom right corner and from here, select the deposit option. From the bottom, select a payment method. I will choose buy with USD, which is recommended method. On this page, choose Bitcoin as the cryptocurrency you want to buy, enter your amount in USD and then tap on next. Select your preferred payment method such as USD, Google Pay, bank card or other third-party options. I will go with USD balance and tap on deposit. Next, follow the instructions to complete the payment and once confirmed, the Bitcoin will be added to your Bybit wallet. And that's it. You have successfully purchased Bitcoin using Bybit. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.